Alright, so G35 power door lock failure. Now, close the door. Alright, when I press the lock switch, you can hear a click, but obviously the door won't lock. Now watch. See, it's not budging, nor is the other one. Watch, you want to do it on this side. You can hear it clicking, but it's not locking or unlocking. Alright, now take the key out. Now even when I put the key in the door in the hole in the door, watch. Shit. Alright. When I turn the knob, the knob still doesn't move. See what I'm saying? The knob's not moving even when I turn the key in the hole, so basically I can't lock the door. So, does anybody know what the hell that could be? I'll turn the switch, but it's not unlocking. It's not budging. So, I don't know. Could this be an actuator? Could this be, I don't know, maybe this panel's bad or something. If anybody has if anybody knows, let me know. It's a 2004 Coupe. Let's see. You can hear it. It's not budging at all. Alright, so if anybody has any info on this, let me know. I appreciate it. Alright, thanks. Okay.